The good character requirement. What is the good character requirement? To be licensed as a lawyer or paralegal in Ontario, the Law Society Act requires that an applicant be of good character. The good character requirement is ongoing, applying to applicants throughout their licensing term. The good character requirement is intended to protect the public and maintain high ethical standards in the professions by ensuring that persons who are licensed as lawyers and paralegals show respect for the rule of law and the administration of justice and conduct themselves with honesty, integrity, and candor. How good character is assessed. In the licensing application, an applicant must answer questions that assist the Law Society in determining whether the applicant is of good character. These questions allow applicants to self-report conduct or circumstances that may raise issues about their character. Self-reporting includes providing full and detailed information about the issues and providing any supporting documentation. Please see the Good Character Amendment form available in the Fees and Forms section of the website to review the specific good character questions in great detail. You may also review the list of supporting documents online that may be required if you are the subject of a good character investigation in the good character section of the website. If an applicant's circumstances change after submitting an application, the applicant must immediately notify the Law Society's Licensing and Accreditation Department to update the applicant's answers to any good character questions as necessary. Answering yes to one or more of the good character questions does not necessarily mean that an applicant will be refused a license. When an applicant answers yes to one or more of the good character questions, the applicant's application is reviewed in the good character review process. If an applicant has answered yes to any of the good character questions, the application is reviewed in the Complaints and Compliance Department of the Law Society's Client Service Center. This department determines whether the issues disclosed are sufficiently serious to warrant further review by the Law Society's Professional Regulation Division. In most years, between 40 to 50% of these applications do not require additional review and are promptly returned to the Licensing and Accreditation Department. Applications that are transferred to the Professional Regulation Division are reviewed in the Intake and Resolution Department. At this stage, any good character issues are either cleared on the basis that the issues disclosed do not require additional review and are not sufficiently serious so as to require further investigation on the applicant's character, or resolved by requesting additional information or clarification that allows the issues to be cleared, or lastly, referred to the Investigations Department for further review. At this point, most licensing applications are either cleared or resolved and are returned to the Licensing and Accreditation Department. If further review in the Investigations Department is necessary, the applicant will be notified in writing and will be provided with an explanation for the investigation. If the good character investigation was initiated as a result of information that the Law Society received from a source other than the applicant will be provided with details of that information. The Investigations Department may ask the applicant to provide additional factual information and reference letters, and the applicant will be given an opportunity to provide additional information or explanation about the issue. Third parties may be interviewed if required. At the conclusion of the investigation, a determination will be made about whether the licensing application should be referred to a hearing or whether the good character issues should be cleared and the application returned to licensing and accreditation once again. In making that decision, the Investigations Department will consider the facts revealed by the investigation, whether the Law Society can prove the conduct in issue, and if so, whether it is in the public interest to hold a hearing to explore the issue further. The Law Society Act provides that a license may only be refused after a hearing by the Hearing Division of the Law Society Tribunal, and only a very small percentage of applicants are referred for a good character hearing. Additional information, once again, is available in the information sheet for subjects of a good character investigation available online. The Law Society is committed towards reconciliation with First Nations, status, non-status, Inuit, and Métis peoples. When reviewing licensing applications, the Law Society applies the principles established by the Supreme Court of Canada in the Gladue and Ipele decisions. The Law Society considers the unique systemic or background factors that may have played a part in those incidents to which an applicant's responses refer. If you have any questions, please contact the Licensing and Accreditation Department.